Hey, I'm gonna start documenting my journey from here. Yes, I only have a couple nails because that's what I'm doing right now. But I figured that I should start documenting my business journey. I see that people do it as a way to help other people document their journey, but then also they use it as just kind of like a time capsule. So as of right now, I received my wax pot, which I got from all my profits. I was able to make my first real investment back into my business, and I'm like so happy. I reached so many goals in the month of December. It's January 1st right now. So I figured for the year 2021, I'll start blogging, to say the least. But I'm really thankful for all the orders I received. I'm really like blessed to just see that many people ordering from my website and actually liking my products and commenting and reordering. It's just absolutely amazing. So the support is like really immaculate. I haven't really even taken the time to like really kind of grasp what I've started and fully understand, but it's just been a long journey. So as of right now, I'm doing my nails kind of somewhat to get ready for 2021. I like, a fresh start. So I did my hair too. That might be. But I'm gonna come back once I start unboxing my stuff, and I'm gonna just show you guys my setup. The lighting's gonna get really, really bad. So just be prepared. This is kind of the MIDI lighting. But I'm doing my nails. And I love watching other Black entrepreneur females, even males, but I love watching Black entrepreneurs because it just kind of really shows me that I can strive in certain fields. To know that there's other people that are like me, but most of them are older than me, but there's other people that go through the same things I go through, and everything's just a learning experience and a learning curve. So I'm gonna come back as I'm unboxing, and I just figured I'd start from here. Thanks. Okay, so we're back by the spot, and I'm actually gonna cut this. But basically, this was able to be my first investment back into my business with the money that I made, and I'm like really proud and really happy about that. Go to my address. I'm gonna show up the way I stay. So I'm basically gonna do an unboxing at the top of it. This is the wax melter, and this is the bottle. I'm gonna have to spray down all this stuff. I'm actually gonna leave the styrofoam in the box because I don't want everything everywhere. So they gave me a nice little clear top. Basically, it says hot on it. It's this big. Cause the one I ordered bigger, but it's deeper inside of it. So it's my little wax pot. This is how you plug it up. It's literally almost like a what is this called? A pressure cooker. Like how they are, the higher the pressure, the hotter it gets. So has a little dial on here to adjust temperature. So I got the valve one. They had different options to get. I'm pretty sure it was valve, knob, and like another one, extender. So I got the extender so that it came down this way, because other than that, it didn't have this. And then I got the valve that way. Turn it this way, it's on. Turn it this way, it's off. It's just easier that way. You need to remember to always read the safety tips, okay? Because wax gets very hot and things get very dangerous. So it goes in there. This is a part of this. This is the little strainer. They said they don't recommend using it. I guess it's because they said they don't recommend using it because it is messy, and for me there'd be no point of the strainer anyway. I'm using wax that all melts. There's nothing to strain, so cute little attachment, really not needed though. So we'll put that to the side. Inside there's a little warning sticker. It says, to reduce the risk of fire, assemble with legs before using. So they already assembled the legs for us. Bless their hearts. And it has a little entry port for this. There's a hole on the inside. So you just push it in like that. This says remove control before washing multi-cooker. So they use like presto-pots. This is a presto-pot. And they just add a spigot or a valve. And you just got to be careful because when they add the spigots can clog because wax hardens when it cools. So yeah, you just got to be careful. Obviously, I don't want this inside the pot with my wax. I'm gonna take this. I'm actually gonna definitely spray and wipe this out before I use it. Corona friendly. So that is all I have for today, and I'm about to go make some wax melts and everything now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, you can comment anything you want in the comment section, anything that you want to see, any questions you have about candle making, and I'll be here. Thanks.